Our story begins here, back in October of 2002. A company starting from scratch needed support with not only machines, but with finance too. A&M EDM turned to Sodick, and my goodness me, has their relationship grown over the last 20 years.
My name's Mark Wingfield, MD of A&M EDM. My relationship with Sodick goes way back, right from the very start. At the minute we have 36 Sodick machines, a variety of machines.
My name's Lee Finch, I'm the production director here at A&M. I look after all the EDMs on this site. So this machine here behind me, which is currently being installed today by one of the Sodick engineers, offers us a new facility where we can turn and burn using full 8-axis controlling. So when we're looking in the market for new machinery, myself and the other directors will evaluate what we're looking for and what we're trying to offer to our customers and how we're going to get the benefit from that purchase. As the more technology they can offer, the more we can offer. Hence why we've gone to this 8-axis turn and burn now, so we can offer a new service to the market.
Having used other machines as well as Sodicks, I always felt Sodicks were the best machines for me. User friendly, and it's made this business what it is today.
We offer next day turnaround, and if the machines are not running efficiently or running overnight as we've planned them to, we can't offer that service, but they allow us to.
I'm Mel Delay, account manager at Sodick. It's great to see so many of our machines here on the shop floor. In fact, A&M are the largest users of our machines across the UK and Europe.
A&M EDM specialise in lots of products. Things that go to the bottom of the ocean, but also parts that go to Mars. The machines have to be reliable because of the accuracy of the work that we do. And when you're spending so much money on a machine, you want the machines to last. So I can only speak highly of the machines. For anybody buying them, I can say you're buying the best bit of kit.
They trust our machines to know that what they're producing is of high quality to ensure that their customers are getting what they need.
So the best thing that I love about the Sodick machines is how user friendly they are. You can get the jobs up and cutting really quickly without going into any technical side of the machine, but there also is that technical operation there in the background. But when you're after a quick fix, they're just so easy to operate and get up and cutting.
This is not a customer-supplier relationship, this is a partnership that A&M have with us. They trust us, knowing that we will supply a machine that will do the job. Sodick look forward to working with A&M in partnership to support their goals of growth for the future.
They're very reliable, very rarely break down. You look after those machines and they look after you.
This is a company with a £7 million turnover, with an aim to increase that to 10 million over the next 2 years. So I wonder what we'll see on our return.